Given the function f of x equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 3, we have to calculate the intersection points of this function with the axes x and y. As we know, we have the x and the x, y. The points on the axis x are those points with a height 0, so y is equal 0. The points that are on the axis y are the points where the x is equal 0. Those are the points that aren't nor on the right nor on the left. So, as we know, y is the same as f of x. So, what we have to do is 0 f of x or y equal to the function x minus 1 divided by x plus 3. And when the subtraction is equal 0, that is, when the numerator is equal 0. So, from here we have x minus 1 equals 0 and x is equal 1. So, as we can see, x equal 1 doesn't make the denominator 0, and that means that it is a point of the domain of the function f of x. So, this is the intersection point with the axis x is where x is equal 1 and y equals 0. That is the point 1, 0. And now let's go with the axis y. When x is equal 0, we have to substitute the x by a 0, that is calculating the image of 0, f of 0. So we will have 0 minus 1 divided by 0 plus 3, that is minus 1 on the numerator and 3 on the denominator. So we have when x is equal 0, y is equal minus 1/3, and that is our intersection point with the function f and the axis y. As we should know, in a function, any function, only has one intersection point with the axis y. So our intersection points are 1, 0 for the axis x and 0 minus 1/3 for the axis y.